Hi y'all, today on Penny's Projects, we're going to be installing a PlayStation 5 wall mount. Shouldn't take too long, should be a simple project. We're going to drop the link in the description for you guys. We decided to do the wall mount because, as you can see, our TV is mounted on the wall as well. So this was the best option to keep it clean and keep the cords where you wouldn't see it. Okay, we got it all done. It was a really quick project, super simple. It does have the magnetic charging cable, and it's one USB that goes down and then it splits into two, and you bring it through the holders here, and it's magnetic. It's also got the LED lights, and you've got your hook too where you can hang your headset, so that's really nice. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Check out our other videos, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.